Good night from Sandamax. And this is almost finished. This is the blacksnow dragoon Stella Rossa. So I explain something. I have something to add, more stuff to add, but it's almost finished. The idea is here. Okay, we start from the rack. The rack is the fantastic pizza rack from blacksnow. Yeah, I know, I need to cut this, I know, but I don't have the tools, so I will find out how to cut them. It's very strong, it's in chromoly steel, and it seems super strong. It's very nice, very nice rack. To be honest, it's one of the best rack I own at the moment, because I like a very strong rack. I don't like the rack they take heat and they will broke, you know. I like this kind of rack, or I prefer to don't have a rack normally, but you know, sometimes you don't have enough money to afford a good rack, so you buy a cheap rack. That's it. And I do also this because I'm not super rich, you know. I just live as a normal person. Anyway, here we have the light. One here with this bell on the racks, and two here. You see, very nice. Huh? The same propeller, the same propulsion for a MiG. Yeah. This is the drop bar. The drop bar is 4 years drop bar. Is specific drop bar for Monster Cross, I can say. Yeah. Here we have a stem. You see the stem, and here is material. The material of this, all of this is titanium. Okay, so this bike I have steel, titanium. Of course, this is aluminium, sorry, and chrome steel and carbon. Okay. So here we have the sensor SRX Pro carbon version. Okay. 11 speed, 1 by 11, and also here we have the roller is carbon. You can see with very big wheels. Here we have the 11 speed for cassette from Le Vehicle, and also the tires. The wheels is the wheels is Le Bicycle, and they sound really good. 29er 2.1 Innova Pro on this bike for tires. They are really good. I like very much Innova Pro. And we have this drop from Exa, and this San Marco saddle Aspide carbon fiber. Yeah, and we have here the crankset IXF. I need to change this. This probably is not compatible with the system, the SRAM system. I think I need to find out something works, because this make a little noise, like before when I make these kind of things also in the blacksnow Dragoon Kill Bill, it was not compatible, so I changed that, and now it works. But it is in Italy, as you know. Here we can see the little particular, you know. Here, and here. The Stella Rossa, yes, and the pedals will go with SPD and flat. And we finish now. It's very late here. I just finished to work It's a little hard to make these things, and I don't have the room. In the house I have the room, but it's full of stuff. I don't have a time to clean up and set up everything, so I need to find time when I don't work to set up everything. So thank you very much to follow me, like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to watch the other video of the channel, and to watch also the old one, and to watch the new videos, because I will make a lot of interesting video. I promise you, I make an interesting video, an interesting dream build, and I made it in few weeks when I return from Italy. And I will make more video and more reviews and more things, because I like to make this. This is my passion. I want to share my passion with you. Thank you very much, and don't forget to hit the bell. Thank you very much. Bye bye from San Max.